State Minister w'Obwegyese n'enshonga z'empungi Lilian Abel yasiima aba Muslim Charity UK ahabw'okwehayo bakagumiza muno bahwera empungi n'abanya-Uganda abarikutuura n'empungi omu districts ez'empungi zirikutuuramu. Abel nagira ngu baaganiira aha nshonga z'ebyamagara, ebyenyegesa n'ezindi nshonga byona ebigendereire okuhwera empungi n'abanya-Uganda.
Thank you very much. Very nice for that.
And we were looking at avenues on how we can get more support from the Muslim charity organization. They are really one of the organizations that do quite a lot in this country. They have supported us with hospitals, they have supported us with equipment, they have given money to the refugees to start small businesses to be self-resilient and sustain themselves.
Abel yaashaba abanya-Uganda okweyongera kushagika empungi na communities ahizirikutuura.
And I really want to call upon other donors. This is a point that you need to come out to support government of Uganda, to support refugee response, because the number of refugees are increasing every day. However, the funding keeps on decreasing, and we all know that we can't do much without funding. So we need as many of the Uganda donors to also come on board. It's not about international donors only.
Abel yayanjura entebeekanisa za government okutandika endiijo nkambi y'empungi omu district ya Kitugumu okucendeeza omwijurrano oguri omu nkambi eziriho bwa hati.
We are having quite a number of influx of refugees, and Lamore camp is getting smaller. So in our discussions we agreed that we will have another camp established in Kitgum, which is the bordering district to Lamore. But of course Kitgum district has already been hosting refugees before, and quite a number of them are already residing in Kitgum.
Irfan Rajput owa Muslim Charity UK yagira ngu bamaani bagatiire omu kuheereza obuhwezi empungi n'okucendeeza esente zirikukoresibwa nikwo empungi zoona zihwerwe.
That the institutions are having no money, the government is cutting off. But on the other hand, the charities, their fund is increased. So I tell them it's very logical because it's a people-to-people sport.
Obwa hati Uganda neeturwamu empungi zirikwingana miliyoni 1,816,518 n'aba barikuronda obutuuro emitwaro 45 kandi Ndyihanga rikutuuramu empungi nyingi aha kirwa kya Africa. Gashakwa Thomas tumwebaze.